What it do, YouTube? My name is Arthur, back again with another video. So this is an update regarding to the Triangle Crypto Arbitrage scanner, and for those who still have access to the scanner, you can still access it using your email address and the PIN code, right? But right now the price has been reduced, and that's very good because everyone is gonna be accommodated. All right, for example, let me just show you real quick right here. So as you can see, 1 month has been reduced from 100 USD to all the way to 60 USD, and 3 months has been reduced from all the way from 300 USD all the way to 149. So these are all the best deals that we have right now, and this gonna be only for this week. All right, so if you don't have access right now, I feel like this is the best time you can get access to the scanner right now. But anyway, other than that, I also wanted to show you some extra crypto exchanges that have been added to the scanner so that you guys can also take advantage of a lot of crypto exchanges. All right, and of course, auto trading is now fully available on all the crypto exchanges. All right, so as you can see, that if you scroll down, you can see some new crypto exchanges like CoinMama, CEX, Arbitrage, Coinbase Germany, all these crypto exchanges. You guys can access all these crypto exchanges. You can scan for Triangle Crypto Arbitrage on all these crypto exchanges. So if you don't have an account on Binance or Bybit or whatever they name, whatever any crypto exchange, then I'm 100% sure that your exchange is available on this list as well. All right, and the scanner is still 100% working on all these crypto exchanges, and the link is gonna be in the description below as well. So another question is a lot of you were asking me minimum amounts that you can start with. You can start with any amount, but it's better to have to have a reasonable capital in your wallet. As already know, that is all about percentage, right? So let's say if you find 2% or 3% opportunity, then it will make sense to have enough capital in your wallet. You know what I mean? So that's also another thing that I wanted to highlight. But other than that, if you want to there's no live video today, but last week I made a video on this channel. All right, a live video on this channel, and we were trading on KuCoin. All right, so I suggest that you should watch this video whereby I explained almost anything about live. So I suggest that you should watch this video, and this was a live trading on KuCoin crypto exchange, and we even made a live trade on this video using KuCoin app. All right, so the link to this video is also going to be in the description below. But other than that, guys, that's all I wanted to tell you guys, and there's a guide right here, and this guide is going to pretty much help you with anything that you need. And therefore, I'll see you in the video. Love and peace. And if you've got any questions, you can just use the WhatsApp line or Telegram or whatever, then you're good to go. But other than that, thank you for watching, and therefore I'll see you in the video, guys. Love and peace, and cheers, guys.